And I got one more thing to put in this bag, and this is a waterproof bag. It's been raining off and on this afternoon, and it's what we carry everything in. That way we don't get anything run. And then 3 liters of soda. The reason we do popcorn and soda is because we show a Christian movie at the end of our service every week, and a lot of people come, and sometimes it's the only entertainment they have, because most people here don't have TVs or anything like that, and it's just another way for us to share the gospel through media. And in the front of the backpack, we also have our cord for the projector, and Tokai, which is mosquito coils, which we have to have mosquito coils or we will get eaten alive. So we put 8 out every week. And the other thing Jane carries also is our speakers, which we wouldn't be able to show the movie without some really good speakers. And thanks to Brother Matt, he upgraded the speakers that we have. These are smaller, it weighs more, but it's a much higher quality speaker. And we are packed and ready. All we have to do is carry all of this, probably about a quarter of a mile, on a fairly rough road. But I'm wearing my tennis shoes today and not my Crocs. So hopefully I won't slip and fall down like I usually do when it's wet and I wear my Crocs.